Did I just create my own tool for email growth by using Claude Code? You better believe it. So you can do more with Claude Code than just vibe code a whole app or a whole websites or whatever. I needed a tool to be able to collect email addresses, make it very customized to be able to put into my blog posts onto my website, to quickly insert a piece of code, simple piece of code to be able to collect email addresses for my email list. Claude Code was able to do that. Let me show you real quick, just a little sample of just how by making AI simple, but using the right tool is going to help you to be able to get the most out of it.
Just wanted to come to you really quickly and just show you the power of using AI without having to get all complex with it, just make it in a simplistic fashion. But right here, I am creating some just basic HTML and JavaScript and a little bit of PHP to be able to create me some forms to be able to collect email addresses. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these on certain sites, implement the code, and then it's going to push the data to something like either make.com or Zapier so that I'm able to capture email addresses and do my verification using Reon Writer, which is a really good application to be able to verify those emails so that you don't become prey to fake email addresses and it eventually going to the email providers and they're banning your emails or sending them straight to the trash. So Reon is a really good verification for emails. But anyway, so right here, I'm not able to scroll on my little recorder for whatever reason, but for the most part, nothing in here is, I haven't put any information there, so you can look all you want to. And right here is just like the PHP page, and it's doing a lot of the heavy lifting for me. But as I was telling Claude that, hey, these are the things that I need from this project or this task for you, and I'm able to put it in here. I gave some screenshots of a design that I saw online that does like inline pop up and slide in and sticky bar. So I'm utilizing that, but I had to be a little bit more detailed to let the Claude know that, hey, I'm going to be using multiple on one page. That can actually change how it actually creates the code for me, because if I can put it on things on a multiple on a page, there's a good chance that it can conflict with each other. And that's where some of my experience as a developer comes into play. You may not know that, so that's why a lot of times when they say vibe coding, people they can do it, but they may not have the expertise all the time for some of those either bugs or security or things of that nature. So there is a sort of there is an advantage for that, but you can ask Claude to, hey, look at this code to see if there's any potential errors, any kind of pitfalls, anything that may be a gotcha for me before publishing this. So yeah, that's what I really like about just using like Claude, and I'm starting to look into Codex to use within my just development. So that's another one. But if you look right here, I'm explaining to it, hey, I want to be able to utilize decide which webhook URL design from so instead of it I'm having to set it each place in the back end, I can just do it in the front end. Also, just making sure it doesn't conflict. Just simple language like that. You don't need to say, hey, you're a developer with 25 plus years. You don't need all that, because it's so much more smart. It's smarter now to be able to know that kind of thing to give you the best results. And if it doesn't give you what you want, hey, come back to it. There was things in here that I didn't like, and I kept coming back and saying, hey, the font looks weird and it's not sleek and H1 is small. After a few seconds, misspell things, the error for email verification comes up. So there are going to be problems as you're trying to get this thing off the ground. And it's okay to go back to it and say, hey, this isn't right. This doesn't look right. This doesn't seem right. And then at that point, if there are some issues, then you talk it out through Claude or ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever LLM you're working with, and you get it done. So you don't have to worry about if they give me this, I'm stuck with it. No, you're not stuck with it. If it doesn't meet your satisfaction, I can't talk today. If you're not satisfied, then you just let it know, and then at that point, ask it to give you the best that they can actually provide for you. So yeah, I just want to do this really quick, just somewhat demo, but just to let you know that with all this AI stuff, all this tech stuff, we don't have to complicate it. We don't have to put all these crazy long prompts to be able to get something productive out of AI. We just need to be able to hey, this is what I need. And at that point, if it doesn't provide what I need, hey, I need to get something else. So even here, I was able to, I want to match the same color scheme that I have for AI Gap. And with this right here, I just pasted in what I needed. And when I pasted it in, it was able to say, oh, okay, now I see what you're talking about. And it was able to fix the issue. So a lot of times you may need to do screenshots. There's a great screenshot program. I think it's called Lightspeed, or what is it called? Inkshot is good too, but there's another one that's really good as well, to be able to do your screenshots and then screenshot it. Hey, copy paste it right up there, and that makes the job for the AI to see what you're talking about, interpret it, and then implement it. So yeah, if you have any questions about just being able to just build little tools that you need to be able to make your life a lot easier, make sure you go to aigap.me, or just shoot a comment, shoot a DM. I would love to hear from you. And if we can't work it out, I'll try to find the resources that can help you to accomplish what you're looking to do. So
that's just one example of just using the right tool at the right time for the right task. And you don't have to necessarily get all complicated with big, long, heavy prompts and just trying to understand the actual nuts and bolts of the AI. Just tell it what you want, tell it what you need, let it do its thing, and then see if it actually works out for you. If it doesn't, tell it something else. And guess what? There's more than one AI model. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, you can use Gemini. There are other ones like open source ones, but those are my main three right there. There's Perplexity. I mean, there's so many that you can use. So don't worry. There's a good chance if you're doing something content related, web related, something marketing related, that there's going to be a solution for your problem by using Claude Code. So step out there, create something, and let me know how it works out for you. I'll be right here waiting for you.